What you're going to be doing in this video is learning how to change the color of a tab in Excel 365. So what you're looking at now is a standard worksheet. That worksheet has 5 tabs open. There's currently a tab that has a line that is green underneath the bottom edge of the tab. You notice if I switch tabs, that color, the green line also moves to the tab that is selected. And that is not actually what we'll be changing. When we say change the color of the tab, if you notice all of these tabs are the same color, you simply right click on the tab, select tab color. All of these theme colors that are options to you. These are standard colors. This option basically opens up a palette. It opens a palette where you can select another color if you like. I'm going to go with one of the standard colors. I'm just going to go with this blue. Essentially what happens is the color of the tabs actually change. So now if I select any other tabs, they're unchanged, but this tab retains the color that I've selected. If you found this video useful, be sure to click the like button. If you would like to be notified of future videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also take a look at some of our other videos that are related to this particular subject.